Hi everyone, I'm here today to explain to you how you can add the dictation function for voice to text on your Chromebook. That means you will be able to choose this option and speak your words so that the Chromebook will automatically type them for you. So in order to access this function, you will go onto your Chromebook to the bottom right where the time is. You click here and you will choose the settings wheel. On the settings wheel, it brings you to the settings menu of your Chromebook. You will go to the advanced tab. Once you click there, you can scroll down to the little person where it says accessibility. And here you will choose manage accessibility features. Once you are on that menu, you scroll down to where you see keyboard and text input. Here you will find enable dictation, speak to type, and you will move this toggle over so that it is blue, which means that it is now on or working, and you will simply just exit out of that screen. Now you'll notice at the bottom of your toolbar of your Chromebook, you will have a little microphone that appears. That means that your dictation feature is turned on and enabled. So let's go first and try to use this option on Google Slides, for example. So in order to make it work, you will click where you want to start adding your text. So I clicked on the first line here. My cursor is blinking, which means now once I start talking, my text will appear here in this field. So to make it work, you will go down to the microphone. Once you press it, you will hear a little like a bell sound, and that tells you that it is on and ready to listen to you talk. So let's try that now. Hello, friends, period. I hope this option helps you! Exclamation point. Now, as you notice, as I talk, the microphone stays on. You can just simply let it turn off by itself, and it does automatically once you stop talking. So you see, whatever I just spoke, it was typed here for me. Now, we can also use this option in different programs. You can use it on Microsoft Word. So let's try it here. So I'm going to go down to my microphone again. I'm going to press it, listen for the ring or the sound, and I will start speaking. Good afternoon, everyone! Exclamation point. I hope you are having a great day. Period. Now remember, you still have to go back and you have to check for your capitalizations and punctuations just in case. If you notice here, it does not capitalize for you. So you need to go back and you need to change that yourself. Now, you can also use the option in your email. If you go to an email field, you type in the person you want to email. You can have a subject line, or you can even speak it if you'd like. I'm just going to go into the body of the email, and I'm going to write a quick sentence here, or speak a quick sentence. Again, I'm going to go down to my microphone. I'm going to press it, listen for the sound, and start speaking. Hey everyone! Exclamation point. This new option really helps me with my schoolwork. Period. Now, as I said before, you have to go back and check your work just because you will have to fix the capitalizations. But I really feel like this is an awesome option, and I really hope that it helps you all with your schoolwork. Have a great year.